Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best video doorbells on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Blink Video Doorbell. When looking for a budget-friendly video doorbell without the necessity of existing low-voltage wiring, Blink, Amazon's smart home brand, offers a compelling solution with its Blink Video Doorbell. It can operate on either wired or battery power, making it versatile for various installation setups. While it boasts a strong set of features, including 1080p video quality and compatibility with Alexa, there's an optional add-on, the Blink Sync Module 2, priced at $35, which enhances the device's functionality. The Blink Video Doorbell provides an affordable entry into the world of smart doorbells, delivering essential functions such as a 2-year battery life and straightforward installation. Whether you opt for wired or battery power, you can enjoy peace of mind with this cost-effective solution that doesn't compromise on key features. Number 2. Ring Video Doorbell Wired. When it comes to affordable video doorbells, Ring stands out as a top contender. This budget-friendly offering from Ring seamlessly integrates into the company's expanding smart home ecosystem. While it's a single-band Wi-Fi device and might not ring your existing chime when wired, it shines with its 1080p video quality in daylight and impressive black and white night vision in the dark. It's a cost-effective choice for those seeking to enhance home security without straining their budget. Ring's focus on value and simplicity ensures that users can easily set up and use the device. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive models, it delivers on the core functionality of a video doorbell, making it an excellent choice for those looking to get started with smart home security. Number 3. Ring Peephole Cam. The Ring Peephole Camera is the perfect option for renters who wish to boost their home security with a video doorbell while keeping their landlords happy. This discreet solution is also ideal for individuals residing in apartments or condos equipped with entry doors featuring a peephole. It provides all the benefits of a video doorbell, including HD video and two-way communication, without any complicated installations or modifications to your existing door setup. This convenient device seamlessly enhances your home's security, ensuring that you can always see who's at your door, whether you own your home or not. Ring's commitment to user-friendly solutions shines through with the Peephole Camera, making it an excellent choice for various living situations. Number 4. Google Nest Doorbell. The Google Nest Doorbell battery offers impressive versatility, as it can be powered either by a battery or your existing low-voltage wiring. This flexibility allows for easy installation and compatibility with various home setups. The device not only excels in terms of installation but also delivers sharp and clear video recordings. Its accuracy with alerts and notifications further enhances its performance. However, it's essential to note that this doorbell is most compatible with Google Assistant products, making it a great choice for Google ecosystem users. If you are an Alexa enthusiast, you may want to explore alternatives like Ring, which integrates more seamlessly with Amazon's voice assistant and smart home ecosystem. Number 5. Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. The Wyze Video Doorbell Pro is a robust, reliable smart doorbell that doesn't disappoint. What sets it apart is its flexibility, capable of operating on either battery power or by connecting to a low-voltage power supply, providing users with options to suit their needs. The addition of a complementary remote chime enhances its functionality, making sure you don't miss any visitors. However, it's important to be aware that, like many other competitors in this space, a subscription package is necessary to unlock the full potential of this doorbell. These subscription plans often offer more advanced security features and access to a wider range of capabilities. When considering the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro, remember your specific requirements and preferences, as the right subscription can significantly enhance your overall experience. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.